Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode. And today I want to amend the soil of my garden so that it's ready for the spring and has a little more nutrients. And what I did was I just asked some of the neighbors for their Halloween pumpkins, and here they are. I collected them and I'm gonna chop them all up, start to spread them out all over the little garden here. I'm going to cover them with leaves, a little bit of leaf mulch, and see how that goes, see what the soil turns into. All right, so I took the seeds out of the pumpkins so that I won't have little pumpkins growing next spring. I threw them on the ground, stepped on them. Now I'm going to take my shovel and cut them up a little bit more. And I'm going to sprinkle some lawn clippings and some leaf mulch all over them. Give it a little bit of carbon and some more nitrogen for the garden, and maybe we'll have some great compost. I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm back from gathering leaves and shredding them in my lawnmower. I felt the lawnmower was the easiest way to do it. I wanted the leaves smaller and broken down to increase the surface area to help with the breakdown. Maybe it'll help the leaves break down a little faster. You can see here they are, just sprinkled a couple inches on top of those pumpkin shells that I crushed down and mixed in some lawn clippings. The leaves will provide some carbon to the nitrogen provided by the pumpkins and lawn clippings and balance out some nice compost. So I can't wait to see how it turns out in the spring. I use mostly maple and some oak leaves in the mix because that's what is in my yard. So I'm not too worried about oak leaves. Some people say they take a long time to break down, but we're gonna find out. So I'll come back in the spring, move some of this mulch over and see if there's any black soil underneath. I can't wait.